Here's a 1971 Mercury Cougar. Two-door hardtop we just got in. This particular car has had a repaint and interior redone along the way. It's a little more of a kind of a deeper burgundy color right now, wine burgundy color. Originally it would have been a red car with a white vinyl interior. That's kind of a two-tone red and black cloth interior now to match the exterior with the red and vinyl top, the burgundy vinyl top. This car is powered by a 351 V8 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes. Was originally an AC car, but the components are no longer there. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, see the underside, the interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'd call this a driver quality paint job on this car. Not perfect, but as you can see, still shows well. Most of the car could use a little bit of TLC. The front tires are kind of aged. They got plenty of tread on them, but a little bit aged and weathered. A few things that you could go through to kind of tweak and make this car a little better. There is a little bit of bubbling back here, I noticed too. You can see that. Check out the still pictures. Tried to point it out in the still pictures too. Again, nice driver. Not a trailer queen, but just one you can have some fun with. Again, check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now we do have financing available. We consider trades. And of course, we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Feel free to give us a call. The number can be reached at 507-386-1726. See, up and down it, the car is pretty darn straight. See down the passenger side. Paint shows nice, but again, a little bit of bubbling and what have you under that vinyl back here. So I just want to make you aware of that. Like I said, interior is kind of black and red cloth combination. Like I said, has been redone along the way. Seems to be pretty much stock dash. Obviously automatic transmission paired up with that 351. Buckets up front. The idea of the headliner. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear that 351 run. Let her warm up here just a tad. Radio does work, wipers work. Fan, as far as blower fan and everything work. Give you a little idea, it's kind of foggy as far as the dash, like we see those, it's kind of the glare of the camera actually. You can see those better in the still pictures. AM FM radio. Alright, get her warmed up there. No, they did put a new Edelbrock carb on here. Once the car warms up, seems to idle pretty nicely. A little rumble out of that 351. I'm going to slip up to the front, pause the video here in a second, and I'll check out that engine bay. Alright, here we go. Hood's open. There's that 351. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. Again, I would consider this just driver quality. No crazy chromed out engine or anything like that. Nice new Edelbrock carb. Air cleaner's new. Chrome valve covers. Seems to run out pretty smooth. There you have it. 1971 Mercury Cougar two-door hardtop. Give us a call. Number is 507-386-1726. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, we can assist with the transportation. Financing is available. And we do consider trades. Give us a call.